Welcome to APG.STUDIO and another day with yoga and easy stretching, your lunch break. So spend 10-15 minutes for good stretching to take care of your body and your mind as well. If you're watching first time, you just visit my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss any video from my channel. And now we are ready to start our easy stretching lunch break yoga right now. Okay, feet with your hips set apart. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Stretch your arms, lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now roll your shoulders backward first. And forward. Both arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bend your elbows. Reach behind. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale, lift. And slowly relax. Left arm to your right, so make sure got core, glutes active. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now to your left. Inhale, slowly exhale, right arm straight. And relax both arms. Inhale, as you exhale, slowly fold forward. Like the hands as low as you can reach, keeping your knees bent, but lower back nice and flat. Inhale, all the way up. And slowly exhale. Few more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Last one. Hands on the floor. Step back to down dog position and march on the spot. Inhale, move to plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. Left leg. Inhale, cross to your right. Exhale, swing to your left side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 1 more. Now your right. Inhale from your left. Exhale to your right. Last one if you're still with me. Slowly on your 4 to child pose. Strong abdominal muscles. Watch your head position as always. Try to keep your muscles in your neck active all the time, especially all the bending, folding forward. On your 4, toes stuck under, arch your back, look up. As you exhale, down dog. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 1 more. On your 4, right leg forward. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. Make sure squeezing glutes on your left. Inhale and exhale. And 1 more. Hands together, inhale, exhale, to your left. Inhale, exhale, feel stretch. Your right leg, inner thigh, your hip. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 1 more. And change your side. Left leg forward. First with your arms. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Hands together, inhale and exhale. To your right. So you're stretching your left side, left leg and your hip. Inhale and exhale. Position still as upright as you can. Inhale, exhale, twist. And one more. And relax. Slowly stand up. Place your legs wider than your shoulders width apart. Bring your both arms. Inhale and exhale. Let's reach side to side. Work with your lower back. Great movement to bring mobility in your spine. Also strengthen your core, especially side left and right. Inhale and exhale. Make sure you got your shoulders relaxed. And that's right, beautiful smile. Inhale and exhale. And last one to your right. And relax. Now I'm going to rotate your left leg. Could be straight to your left side, but hips square. The same movement. Inhale without bending your left leg. So you've got your left leg still straight. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. Well done. One more. And you're going to hold the stretch. So now left pointing down, right arm up. Inhale, exhale, right arm behind your back. Inhale, reaching up to the ceiling and exhale. Bring behind, pull your shoulder. So twisting upper body more to facing forward. Inhale and exhale. If someone is stronger, you can try with your left arm behind. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Back to center. Left arm inhale. Slowly exhale to your right. Wash your left arm. Make sure it's straight. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Slowly relax. Okay, now right. Check how far you can move your leg by holding the rest of your body. The same. Right leg straight as you make this movement to your right side. Just make sure you're not bending your right knee. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Hold right arm. Inhale left. Exhale behind your back. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Challenge your core muscles. If you're ready, you can controlling your breaths and you are still smiling. You can try your right arm behind. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And slowly go up. Now your right arm. Inhale. Put your elbow. Arm is straight. Reaching high. Not to the floor. Check your glutes on your left side. Nice and strong. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the stretching. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, show other people. It's a good stretching, good exercise, good yoga session. And if you've got any comments, how you're doing, how is your body, if it's very stiff, or maybe you're already feeling some benefits, and it would be nice to know more about you guys. So if you just started, this is your first video, or maybe you've done some videos before, so you can leave all the comments below the video right now. And so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, thank you for being with us, for all your amazing support, and I see you tomorrow the same time. Bye guys.